Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 Cabriolet 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, front and rear LED daytime running lights, a crystal gray MB Tex interior, also has a black soft top that retracts into the back. C300 4MATIC badging. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera. Center console is gloss black, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our button for the roof to go up and down. This C300 Cabriolet has 29,624 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Cabriolet, check out feldmanimports.com.